sum of first n terms of AP. It should be first n terms, okay? So from the first term till the n terms. 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is equals to the first term of AP, d is equals to the common difference, and n means the nth term. For example, if I'll say find out the sum of first 5 terms, that means n will be equals to 5. If I'll say calculate the sum of first 10 terms of AP, then n will be equals to 10. So this way we can find out the sum of first 5 terms of AP and the first 10 terms of AP. So to do so, let's take an example. If I write down an AP 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And if I want to find out the sum of first 10 terms, so I need to substitute here the values of n, a and d. So for that, a we already know is the first term. That means a is equals to 1. How we calculate d? D is the difference. So it is a common difference. And how we can calculate the common difference? A2 minus A1. A2 means the second term. A1 means the first term. So second term here is 2. This is the second term. Minus first term is 1. That means the common difference is equals to 1. Now we have to substitute the values to find out what would be S10. So we'll write on here S10. S10 represent that you are calculating the sum of first 10 terms. So this is very important to write. S10 is equals to n by 2 means 10 by 2 into 2 into a means 1 plus n minus 1. That means in place of n, we'll write down here 10 into d. D means in place of d, we'll write down here 1. So 10 by 2 means 5 into 2 into 1 is 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 1. That means 5 into 2 plus 9, which is equals to 5 into 11, which is equals to 55. That means for this AP, if I will calculate the sum of first 10 terms, then the answer will be equals to 55. Now let's take an example of this question where we have this given and we need to find out what is the sum of first 13 terms. If we want to find out the sum of first 13 terms, we need n, we need a, we need d. Now in this question, n is already given. N is, since we need to find out the sum of first 13 terms, that means n will be equals to 13. A is already given and we have to find out d. Now, to calculate the value of d, we have to use the formula to calculate the nth term, which says an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now, here we will put some values. Which values we are going to put? Since A13 is given equals to 35. So, we know that n is equals to 13. So we'll write down here A13 is equals to 7 plus 13 minus 1 into D. So 7 plus 12 into D. Now we know that A13 is 35. Here we have written A13. So we can replace the value here. So in place of A13, what I can write? I can write 35 is equals to 7 plus 12 into D. Now we will take 7 to this side. Simple linear equation. 35 minus 7 is equals to 12D. That means 12D is equals to 28 and D is equals to 28 over 12. Now we can simplify it. So 4 sevens are 28 and 4 threes are 12. So the value of D is 7 by 3. Since we already know now the value of D, which is 7 by 3, we can calculate what can be the value of S13. So let's calculate the value of S13. So S13 will be equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we'll put the value here. N is 13. 13 by 2. 2 into a is 7 plus n is 13 minus 1 into d is 7 by 3. So we'll do the calculation. 13 by 2. I won't change it into decimals. 14 plus 7 into 2, 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3. We can solve this. 3 fours are 12 and I'll put a bracket here. I'll get 13 by 2. 14 plus 4 into 7 is 28, which is equals to 13 by 2 into, now 14 plus 28 is equals to 42. So then I can simplify it more. I'll get here 21. When I'll multiply 13 with 21, I'll get it equals to 273. That means the AP with the first term 7, with the difference 7 by 3, the sum of the first 13 terms will be equals to 273. This is how you can use this formula to calculate the different values if any of the three values are given. If you like the video, do share the videos, subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the coming videos.